you happy?
Yeah, Amakhosi for life!
I don't have to say much after that. The colors, but just my condition, my daughter. Kosi for life, Pacho.
Look at what's happening in the change room there, guys, and all three of you know what this is like.
Just had to laugh because there are some 10-year-olds that before this game have never seen their favorite team raise a trophy before.
But they have today.
And those kids have been, their favorite team has been forced upon them by their parents. So today, great to see them celebrating, well deserved. And ultimately we want to see a healthy, happy Kaiser Chiefs club who are winning things, and that's going to be good for South African football as a whole.
Live visuals coming out of the Kaiser Chiefs change room here, the World of Champions taking you to the heart of the action. Amanda, igumnandi.
Too much. Even the coach, I was music grand, but now go say shy horse. But yeah, that's what it means. They stuck together throughout the whole season. It's been tough. A lot of criticism as well for the coach, for the team. It's easy to break that team spirit, but they held on together. And I feel like it's good that they won this cup competition just to really inspire them, maybe even for the next season, to just keep working hard together as a group.
And you know, again, listening to Coach Rivero, he said there was 5 to 10 minutes where Chiefs were just better than us. Critical 5 to 10 minutes, because that's where that second goal also came in. And you can see in this change room